Embracing flaws, the beauty of being perfectly imperfect. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that captures a profound and beautiful concept: perfectly imperfect. This phrase embodies the idea that there is beauty and authenticity in imperfections. Our journey will explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to express a very special kind of perfection. So, let's get started and unravel the beauty hidden in the imperfections. The phrase, perfectly imperfect, is an oxymoron, combining two seemingly contradictory words: perfectly, which means completely or utterly, and imperfect, which means having flaws or mistakes. When put together, they describe something or someone that is beautiful, admirable, or lovable not despite its flaws but because of them. It's a celebration of uniqueness and the acceptance that perfection is not about being flawless. Why do we say something is perfectly imperfect? This concept is deeply rooted in the understanding that true perfection is unattainable and, more importantly, that it's our imperfections that make us unique and human. It's about embracing vulnerabilities and recognizing that our flaws contribute to our individuality. In literature, art, and daily life, this acceptance encourages authenticity and self-love. Self-acceptance. I am perfectly imperfect, and that's okay. Compliments. Telling someone they are perfectly imperfect is a way of appreciating their genuine self, flaws and all. Motivation. Use it to inspire others to accept their flaws and strive for personal growth, not perfection. To incorporate perfectly imperfect into your language. Express authenticity. Share your true self with the world, acknowledging your imperfections. Encourage others. Remind friends and loved ones of their unique beauty and strength in being imperfect. Reflect on beauty standards. Challenge societal or unrealistic standards of perfection. Perfectly imperfect is a powerful phrase that teaches us to find beauty in the flaws and to embrace the authenticity of being human. It's a reminder that our imperfections are what make us unique and that there's a special kind of perfection in accepting and loving ourselves just as we are. We hope this exploration has inspired you to see the beauty in imperfections, both in yourself and in the world around you. Remember, being perfectly imperfect is not just okay, it's absolutely wonderful. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.